Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are showing you these 4-gallon flat garbage bags. So you get 3 rolls. Let's go ahead and open this up. If you use a knife to open this up, just make sure you be careful that you don't cut any of the bags. So they are nicely rolled, and what you do is you pull it out until you get to the end, which is about right there, and then you rip it right off. Go ahead and show you what they look like. So this is the size. They're great for small to medium trash bins or any other, bags that you need, bins you need to put this in. Now let's go ahead and show you what it looks like once in a trash bin. So we take our small little bathroom trash bin, go ahead, place the bag down in, turn it over the edges a little bit, and there we go. Just like that, very simple. Throw away trash, no problemo. Overall, nice little bags. Now let's go ahead and see how much you can stretch them. So if we pull them, oh wow, we're pulling it pretty hard. So we're gonna rip it, but as you can see, we're stretching it very hard without even ripping. Look at this, there we go. It finally ripped after a lot of pressure. So you're not going to rip it with your normal everyday use unless you're purposely trying to rip it like I was. So they are very strong little mini trash bags.